Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the container. Open the Notion page where reminders belong and add a date property called Reminder. This gives a consistent field you can query and sort. Once done, click the date field and enable the built-in Remind option, or type at Remind in a page or block to schedule quick alerts. This first step ensures Notion stores both the timestamp and the notification meta. Make sure to name the property clearly so automations and filters can find it easily later. You now shape how reminders surface. Create a board, list, or table view filtered to show items where reminder is on or before today plus X days. This focuses your attention on due items. Sort ascending so the next actions rise to the top. Once done, add a simple status property like a checkbox or select for completed vs pending. This lets you hide done items and prevents duplicate notifications. Make sure to test the filter with sample dates so the logic behaves as expected. Finish by deciding how you want to receive alerts. Rely on Notion's native reminders for in-app and mobile push, or connect to Zapier or make to send emails, SMS, or Slack messages. Once done, create a test reminder and verify it arrives at the correct time. Time zones and device notification settings often cause failures. If a reminder doesn't fire, make sure the date property is properly set, integrations have permission, and notification preferences are enabled. This single troubleshooting check fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.